Hey guys, today, let's learn how to share a contact on iOS 17 using NameDrop. So if you want to use the new NameDrop feature that is on the iOS 17 to share a contact, all we need to do in order for us to do this, I'm gonna teach you guys that in this video. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first, in order for us to proceed with doing this, is to actually make sure that you have your contacts enabled. So go ahead and tap on your contacts option over here. Cause easily. Go ahead and search for the contacts option if you do have that enabled right here. And make sure that you do have your profile, basically your contact poster and contact photo, available for you to use. This is gonna allow you to use this new NameDrop feature on other devices. As you want to go ahead and share your name and contact poster too, you can basically go ahead and do the same with other contacts or name drops. Actually try to go ahead and do that. But as far as I know, on the current update of iOS 17, as soon as you just have two devices, or two Apple devices with the same iOS 17 software is on there, it is automatically gonna detect itself and allow you guys to share contacts through the NameDrop feature. Of course, you could also go ahead and try this option to go ahead and share this contact if you prefer to. And this is also basically available. Tap on done. It actually go ahead and share this via AirDrop over here. And that's basically also gonna be the same as sharing it via NameDrop. Since AirDrop and NameDrop are essentially the same feature. That's all for this video guys. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. And take care.